Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to mint an avatar in Cats. To begin, you'll need a secure cryptocurrency wallet, such as MetaMask, which is widely used for NFT transactions. After setting up your wallet, it's crucial to back up your seed phrase in a very safe, private spot. Next, you'll need to fund your wallet with the appropriate cryptocurrency, often Ethereum or Solana, ensuring you have enough for the avatar's cost and any associated network fees. This step is foundational for your minting journey. Once your wallet is ready, navigate to the official Cats Avatar Project website. Take some time to explore the various avatar collections and understand their unique characteristics and rarity. It's important to check the minting schedule and any specific eligibility criteria before proceeding. Always double-check the contract address on the official site to confirm you are interacting with the legitimate project and not a fraudulent one. This ensures a safe and successful minting experience. With your wallet connected and your avatar chosen, you are ready to mint. On the project website, you will find a mint button. Click this, and your wallet will prompt you to approve the transaction. Carefully review the details, including the cost and estimated gas fees, before confirming. Once approved, the blockchain will process your request, which usually takes a few moments. After confirmation, your new Cats avatar will be securely transferred to your digital wallet. Congratulations, your Cats avatar is now minted. You can view it directly within your cryptocurrency wallet or on popular NFT marketplaces like OpenSea. Don't forget to join the vibrant Cats community on platforms such as Discord and Twitter. Engaging with other collectors and the project team can enhance your experience and keep you informed about future developments. If you ever decide to, you can also list your avatar for sale on secondary marketplaces, offering it to other enthusiasts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.